Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Solana. First, you'll need to understand the basics of the Solana network, known for its high speed and low transaction fees, often less than 1 cent. Next, we'll cover selecting a secure wallet that supports Solana tokens, which is crucial for managing your assets. Finally, I'll guide you through the process of funding your wallet and making your first purchase of a Solana-based cryptocurrency. To begin, you'll need a Solana-compatible wallet. Popular choices include Phantom and Solflare, which offer user-friendly interfaces and strong security features. Download your chosen wallet as a browser extension or mobile application. During setup, you'll receive a unique seed phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe place, as it's the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Never share it with anyone. Once your wallet is set up, you'll need to fund it with SOL, Solana's native cryptocurrency. You can purchase SOL on a centralized exchange and then transfer it to your new wallet. With SOL in your wallet, connect it to a decentralized exchange or DEX like Radium or Jupiter. Here, you can easily swap your SOL for a wide variety of other tokens built on the Solana blockchain, completing your purchase. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always double-check all transaction details, including the recipient address and amount, before confirming any transfer. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited messages or links, as phishing scams are common. Remember, your seed phrase should remain private. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easier with some fantastic leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Stay safe and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.